All right, let's look at how to do Lewis structures for compounds, well, for polyatomic ions. So, let me just give you a little background information on polyatomic ions. They are ions, charged particles, that have more than one element. So this particular polyatomic ion is made up of one phosphorus atom and not three, but four oxygen atoms. Okay. So anyway, we start by counting the total number of valence electrons. And it kind of looks the same that we did yesterday in class. So you go to phosphorus and you see that there are 5 valence electrons with phosphorus. There are 6 for each oxygen, but since there's 4 of them, I'm going to multiply it by 4. And then the thing that's different is the -3 right here. And if you remember from the rules, if the ion has a negative charge, you're going to add that many electrons. If it has a positive charge, then you will subtract. So we're going to add 3 to this, okay? And when we do that, we get 32 total valence electrons. All right. Now, doing the Lewis structure, nothing changes from what we did yesterday. We're going to put phosphorus in the middle, and we're going to surround it by the oxygens. Okay. And so we've used up 8 of our electrons, and we have 24 more to go. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Okay. If we wanted to just check, we draw a circle around the P's and what's bonded to the phosphorus atom, and we see that we have 8 electrons. And then when we do the same thing around the oxygens, you see that there's 8 around each of the O's. Okay, let's just try another one. I'm not going to go through the entire process, but at least we can look at the number of valence electrons. Okay, this is a negative ion. I know that because of the little dash right here, the negative right there, and that's an understood 1, -1. So if I'm counting my valence electrons, Cl is chlorine, that is not an I, that is a Cl, chlorine, has 7. And then the oxygens have 6, and there's 3 of them. And then I'm going to have +1 because of that -1. All right, and when you add that together, you get what, 26? Let me make sure. Yep, you get 26. And so at that point, you just continue on with your drawing out your Lewis structure. Okay?